Welcome. Healthy Lifestyle Line. Subscribe to my channel for more quality videos. How to use castor oil. Castor oil has been used since ancient times. It is well known as an effective way to relieve constipation, for instance. Since it does taste great, mixing or chasing a dose with juice will help. It's also a useful carrier for essential oils in some cases. If you're taking it for any medical reason, however, talk to a doctor first. Relieving constipation. Chill the castor oil. Though it's very effective, castor oil is also notorious for tasting unpleasant. Leaving the oil in the refrigerator for at least an hour before taking it improves the experience for some people. The taste will not change, but it may be easier to tolerate when the oil is cold. You may also be able to find flavored varieties of castor oil at a pharmacy. Take castor oil early in the day. Castor oil tends to produce results in 4 to 6 hours. For this reason, you should take it right before bed or even late in the day. Some people may prefer to take castor oil right before bed so that it works in the morning, but that may not be a good option for people who sleep longer than 6 hours. Measure out a dose. The exact amount you should take will depend on your age. Bottles of castor oil will usually have dosing recommendations on the label. If not, ask a doctor or nurse for a recommendation. Adults, for example, will probably take about 15 milliliters 0.5 fl, while children should take less. A syringe intended for liquid medications will make it easy to measure out the oil. Stir the oil into juice. This is another way to make castor oil more palatable. Orange juice or citrus soda is especially helpful for masking the unpleasant taste. Pour the oil you measured out into the juice, and stir until it is mixed. Since mixing oil into a fluid can be difficult, you may choose to instead drink the oil very quickly and then follow up with juice. Don't use orange or grapefruit juice, as they are acidic. Drink a full glass of liquid. Like many laxatives, castor oil can dehydrate you. Chasing the dose with at least 8 ounces of cold water or fruit juice will help stop this from happening. Taking a second glass is even better, so have some more water or juice even if you stirred the castor oil into some already. Using castor oil as a carrier. Gather castor oil in your favorite essential oils. Because castor oil is relatively inexpensive and has a long shelf life, some people like to use it as a carrier oil. Since it is somewhat sticky, you may not want to use it for all purposes. It's great for making skin treatments, however. Add the essential oil to the castor oil. The exact amount depends on how you want to use the oil. To make a massage oil or moisturizer, try adding 40 to 60 drops of the essential oil to 4 ounces of castor oil. If you have a large bottle of castor oil, measure some out into a separate bottle, then add the essential oil to that. If you're using the oil for aromatherapy or other everyday uses, you may want to increase the amount of essential oil you add to the carrier. Check the essential oil bottle's label for recommendations. Mix and use the oil. Use a wooden skewer, spoon, or another tool to stir the oils together. Mix thoroughly so that everything is evenly blended. Once you're done, the oil is ready to use. You can store the oil in a glass bottle, preferably a dark-colored or opaque one, with a tightly fitting lid. Castor oil can be stored for up to 1 year if kept in a cool, dry place. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.